Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. You have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 5 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter problem solving, right? So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So let's just start with the chapter problem solving. Here I am on the chapter problem solving. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is multi-step problem solving. Okay, let's just start with the first example, that is Neela wants a paintbrush that costs $7.50 and a set of paints that cost $18.20 and an easel that costs $28.65. Nida already has it $48.70. How much money more does Neela need, right? So basically you're given with the price of three items, right? And you are given the total money she have, so you have to see how much more money she needed. So first thing is you need to add the amount of the three items given, right, so that we can know how much more money she required, right? So you have to add 7.50 plus 18.20 and plus 28.65. Their sum is 54.35, right? Now you have to subtract the money she already have from the money she needed, right? So you have to do 54.35 minus 48.70. That means she still need $5.65, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, let's just start with the first one. Wright bought 19 cartons of ice cream and 7 cartons of yogurt. Each carton of ice cream cost $4 and each carton of yogurt cost $2. How much more did Wright spend on ice cream than on yogurt, right? Okay, so he have 19 cartons of ice cream and in each carton of ice cream costs $4, right? So just calculate the cost of the ice cream, cartons of ice cream, right? Cost of ice cream, 19 cartons and each cost $4, right? So that is 9 is 36 and 4 times 76 it is. Now calculate the same way the cost of the yogurt, right? So cost of yogurt, you have to do 7 times 2 because the cost of each the cost of one carton is 2, so 7 times 2 is 14, right? You have to see how much more did Wright spend on ice cream than yogurt. So subtract the ice cream, the cost of yogurt from the ice cream. So that is 7, 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 1, that is $62. That means he spent $62 more on ice cream than yogurt. The correct option is 62. Very good. Okay, the next one is Lisa bought 8 packages of cat food and 3 packages of dog food. Each package of cat food contained 5 cans and each packet of dog food contained 3 cans. How much more cans of cat food than dog food did Lisa buy? Which is the correct option? You have to do exactly the same way like we did the old done question right before this one. Okay, 8 packages of cat food, right? And each package of cat food contains 5 cans, so you have to do 8 times 5 equal 40, right? Then 3 packages of dog food and each one has 3 cans, so 3 times 3 is 9, right? You have to see how much more cans of cat food than dog. So 40 minus 9 is 31. That means she have 31 more cans of cat food than dog food. The correct option is $31, right? 31 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is Anil has 10 red beads and she has 8 fewer yellow beads than red beads. Janelle also has 9 more green beads than red beads. How many beads does Janelle have in all? You need to calculate the total beads she have, right? Okay, so Anil has 10 red beads. Okay, the red beads are 10. She has 8 fewer yellow beads than red beads. So the yellow beads she have is 10 minus 8 because 8 fewer. So 10 minus 8 is 2. That means yellow beads she has is 2, right? Janelle has 9 more green beads than red beads. The green bead has 9 more than red. So 10 plus 9 is 19. That means 19. The green beads are 19. How many beads does Janelle have in all? So you need to add 10 plus 2 plus 19. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 31. The total beads she have is 31. Got it? The correct option is 31. Okay, Sharon saved up $42. Patch, can you please write down the complete question? Sharon saved up to $42. Then she got $40 for her allowance. Sharon spent $9 on a pair of gloves and $5 on a winter hat and $14 on the scarf. How much money does Sharon have left? You have to calculate how much money she have left, right? So she have $42 in the saving and she got 14 for her allowance, right? So the total money she have is 14 plus 24, sorry, 14 plus 42, that is $56, right? That is $56 she have. Now the money she spent is $9 on the pair of glove, $5 on winter hat and 14 on the scarf. So 9 plus 5, 14, and 14 plus 14 is $28 she spent, right? You need to calculate the money she left. She have left is she have total 56, out of which 28 she have used buying in pair of gloves, winter hat or scarf. So 56 minus 20 is $28. That means she still have $28. Got it? The correct option is $28. So she still have $28, right? The correct option is $28. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is word problems with extra or missing information. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, let's start with the first example, right? Gavin has an orange and a green rope. The orange rope is 14 meters shorter than the green rope. How many meters of rope does Gavin have in all? Right? So you are given orange rope is 14 meters shorter than the green rope, right? But you're not given with the length of any rope, right? If you are given with the length of one rope, you can calculate the other one, right? So that means there is not enough information to solve this problem, right? So let's just start with the test questions. Okay. Wilson has a cardboard box and a wooden box. The wooden box is 9 centimeter taller than the cardboard box. Wilson also has a metal crate that is 15 centimeter taller than the wooden box. The wooden box is 17 centimeter tall. If Wilson stacks the cardboard box on the top of the wooden one, how many centimeters tall will the stack be? Okay. Let me just read again. The wooden box is 9 centimeter taller than the cardboard box. Wilson has a metal crate that is 15 centimeter taller than the wooden box. The wooden box is 17 centimeter. Okay, the wooden box is 17 centimeter, right? And then the wooden box is 9 centimeter taller than the cardboard box. So then cardboard box the wooden is 17 is 9 centimeter taller, right? So you have to subtract 9 from 17. The 17 minus 9 is 8, right? Now the question is, if Wilton stacked the cardboard box on top of wooden one. So cardboard box has the measurement 8 meter and wooden box has the measurement 17 meter. You need to add. So 7 plus 8 plus 7 is 15, 5 and 125. That means the total length of both is 25 centimeters, right? The correct option is 25. How 26? 17 plus 8 is 25. You added 9 to 17. You don't need to add 9 because you are given the wooden box is 17 centimeter and you are given the wooden box is 9 centimeter taller than the cardboard box. You need to calculate the length of the cardboard box, so you have to subtract 9 from 17. So 17 minus 9 is 8. The correct option is 25. Got it? Okay, the next one is Seth took a train from Chester to Riverside by way of Watertown and Salem. The train went 8 kilometers from Chesterton to Watertown. It was 12 kilometers from Salem to Riverside. How many kilometers was Seth train's ride? Okay, so Seth took a train from Chesterton to Riverside by way of Wester Watertown to Salem, right? So the train went 8 kilometers, okay, from Chestertown to Riverside, 8 kilometers. It was 12 kilometers from Salem to Riverside, but you are not given Salem to Riverside. How many kilometers was Seth's train? You are given from Salem to Riverside, right? But the train is from Watertown to Salem. I think that there is not enough information to solve this problem, right? Because you can see this one is thus from Salem to Riverside, but the way of Watertown and Salem you have to add. So there is not enough information to solve this problem. The last option is the correct one. Got it? Because you're not given with the complete information to solve the question. Okay, Jared bought 15 bags of red potatoes and 16 boxes of and 6 bags of white potatoes. Each bag of potato weighted 13 kilograms. How many kilograms of potato did Jared buy in all? Right? Okay, so the total potatoes he buy is 15 bags of red potato and 6 bags of white. So 15 plus 6 is 21 bags. The total bags he bought is 21 bags, right? Okay, each bag of potato weighted 13 kilograms. So just multiply 21 times 13, right? Because you need to calculate how many total kilograms of potato did Jared buy in all, right? So you have to do 21 times 13. I think that would be 273 is the correct option. That means the total, no, there isn't. the information is complete. You are given the total bags of potatoes, and also you are given the weight of the potatoes, right? So 21 times 13 is 273 kilometer. The correct option is 273, right? Okay, the next one is, it's 273. Shireen's Pizza sells small, medium, and large pizza. Yesterday they sold 14 small pizzas. They sold 12 more medium pizzas than large pizza. The medium pizza has 13 slices each. How many total pizzas did Shireen's Pizza sell yesterday? You have to calculate the one he sell yesterday, right? So you're given the small pizzas they sell is 14, right? And 12 more medium pizzas than large pizzas. You're not given with the larger pizzas or the smaller pizzas, right? And the medium pizza has 30. You have nothing to do with the slices, right? That means there is not enough information to solve this problem. Got it? Because you're not given with the information about large pizzas, and also they are given they sold 12 more medium pizzas than large pizza. You don't have the quantity of the medium pizzas, right? There is not enough information. Got it? Okay, the next one is, Logan bought 14 rolls of white tape and 3 rolls of clear tape. How many meters of tape did Logan buy in all? So, which is the correct option? The question you are given, he buy 14 rolls of white tape and 3 rolls of clear tape. So that means there is not enough information, right? You don't know how long is the one roll, so you don't there is not enough information. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is guess and check problems, right? So let's just start with the guess and check problems. Okay, let's start with the first example. A builder has some red and gray bricks. The red bricks weigh 2 kilograms and each, and gray bricks weigh 9 kilograms each. If the total weight of 4 bricks is 15 kilometers, how many of each type of brick does Aaron have? Right? So you are given the weight of red is 2 kilograms, and the weight of gray bricks is 9 kilograms each, right? Okay, the question is, there are total 4 bricks and the weight of the 4 bricks is 15 kilograms. In how many of each type of brick does Aaron have? You have to calculate the how many each color you have, right? So the question is, Eric has a total of 4 bricks, right? That means the number are, the number of bricks are 1 red brick because the red brick is 2 kilograms each, and 3 gray bricks, right? So let's just see if this guess makes 15, because the total weight is 15 kilograms, right? No, you have to do 2 times 1. 2 is the weight of red bricks and 9 is the weight of, so that together they makes 29. This isn't the correct option, right? Okay, the correct one is 3 plus 1. You have 3 red bricks and 1 gray brick. When you multiply 3 times 2 makes 6 and 9 plus 1 times 1 makes 9. So that means the total weight is 15 kilogram, right? So that means you have 3 red bricks and 1 gray brick. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. Rona has a four bag of coins. Rona has four bags of coins. Some of the bags contain six gold coins and the rest contain seven silver coins. If Rona has total 27 coins in all, how many bags of each type of coin does Rona have? Right? So the total coins in 27, right? So you have to see how many. Okay, so she have total four bags, right? So just look at the values 2 and 5. 2 bags of gold and 5 bags of silver. 2 plus 5 makes 7, right? But you are given 4 bags only, right? That means the correct option is 1 and 3. Let's check how it is the correct one. Okay, 1 bag for gold coin. The gold coin has 6 gold coins, 1 times 6. And then 3 bags for silver coin. So there are 3 silver coins. So that is 3 times 7. Right? So 6 times 1 is 6 and 7 times 3 is 21. So 21 plus 6 equals 27. See, there are 27 coins are all. That means the correct option is the second one. 1 and 3 is the correct option. Got it? The correct option is 1 and 3. Okay. The next one is a manager bought lunch for his co-workers. Each person picked either salad or a burger. The salad cost $3 and the burger cost $4. If the manager spent a total of $20 and bought lunch for 6 people, how many of each item did he buy? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 and 2 is the correct option because the total he bought the lunch for 6 people, right? So 4 salads and 2 burgers he bought. The correct option is 4 and 2. If you do the calculations, they makes 20, right? Okay, the next one is at the zoo gift shop. Posters of eagles cost $2 and posters of flamingos cost $10. Mrs. Garrett bought 5 posters and spent $26. How many of each type of poster did she buy? The total posters she buy is 5, which is the correct option. The correct option is 3 and 2 is the correct option because he bought total 5 posters, right? So 3 plus 2 is 5. The correct option is option number 2. That is 3 and 2 is the correct option. A restaurant owner washed 24 kilograms of vegetables, some cucumbers, and some cauliflowers. The cucumber came in 6 kilograms bag and the cauliflower came in 2 kilograms bag. The owner washed 6 bags of vegetables in all. How many bags of each kind did he wash? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The owner washed 6 bags, right? Yes. 3 plus 3 makes 6. So option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Okay. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is find the order. Let's just start with the next lesson, right? Okay. Let's start with the test question. Hello. Okay. Brent has more cousins than Shontal, but fewer cousins than Astel. Who has the most cousins, right? Okay. So Brent has more cousins than Shontal, right? So just make the order, right? Brent has more and Shontal has less, right? But fewer cousins than Astel. This after the but portion is for this one. That means Brent has fewer cousins than Astel. So here is the Astel. Astel is the one who has the most cousins. Got it? The correct option is who has the most cousins? Astel has the most cousins, right? The correct option is Astel. Who has the most cousins? Astel. So just make order and find your correct option, right? Okay, the next one is Sydney earned more money than Janelle but less money than Anil. Who earned more money, Janelle or Annie? Which is the correct option? Amy? Sydney earned more money than Janelle but less money. Yes, the correct option is Amy. Who earned more money? That is Amy. Very good. Very good, everyone. Okay, the next one is a chocolate cookie is larger than the lemon cookie but smaller than the sugar cookie. Which cookie is the smallest? Which is the correct option? Lemon cookie, sugar cookie, chocolate cookie. Which is the correct option? The shortest cookie, smallest cookie is So, which is the correct option? The smallest cookie is the sugar cookie. Where is the sugar cookie? Mm, I think lemon cookie is the smallest one. Wait, let me read again. The chocolate cookie is larger than the lemon cookie. The but smaller than the sugar. The correct option is lemon cookie is the smallest one. See, the correct option is lemon cookie. Just make the order, then you can find the correct options, right? The next one is Mill Valley is farther than the ocean than Oak City, but closer to the ocean than River City. Which town is the farthest from the ocean? Which is the correct option? That was for the smallest. Which is the correct option? Okay, let's make the order. Which town is farthest from the ocean? Mill Valley is farther from ocean. Okay, so here is ocean and here is Mill Valley. Mill Valley is farther than the ocean, so that is farther and that is near. Mill Valley is farther from the ocean than Oak City, but closer to the ocean than River City. Which town is farthest from the ocean? I think that is Mill Valley. River City. Okay, let's see if it is. That is River City. You guessed the right answer. Okay, Amanda scored few points than Russell but more points than Dempsey. Who scored few points, Russell or Dempsey? Which is the correct option? Amanda scored fewer points than Russell but more points than Dennis. Who scored fewer points, Russell or Dennis? Okay, Amanda has fewer and Russell has more. Amanda has more points than Dennis. So, who scored? Yes, Dennis scores the fewest points. The correct option is Dennis. Very good. Okay, the next one is Bernice lives closer to the park than Sean, but farther from the park than Craig. Who lives closer to the park, Craig or Sean? Which is the correct option? This is grade 5. That means Craig is the closer to the park. Grade 5 it is. Okay. Brain lives farther from the library than Trents. Brain lives closer to the library than Arlette. Who lives closer to the library? Arlette or Trents? Which is the correct option? The correct option is friends. Okay, let's see. Oh, yes, that is the correct option, right? Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 5 math. The chapter we were working on is problem solving. The lessons we have covered today are multi step word problems with extra or missing information, guess and check problems, and find the order, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? So that's all for today. If you have any questions, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions?